AI robots just replaced 100,000 jobs. What's next? Welcome to Future Way, your portal to tomorrow's technology today. In this deep dive, we're uncovering a groundbreaking shift that's shaking the foundations of global economies. Just this year, AI robots have officially replaced over 100,000 human jobs across the US, UK, Germany, and Australia. And this is just the beginning. What does this mean for you? Your job? Your industry? Your future? Stay with us, because over the next 30 minutes, we're going to break this down with real examples, expert analysis, future projections, and the truth no one wants to admit. A future that's arriving faster than we imagined. In 2025, we've officially crossed a historic threshold. Over 100,000 traditional human jobs have been replaced by autonomous AI robots and intelligent systems, with the majority of the impact recorded in manufacturing, logistics, retail customer service, and even parts of white-collar roles such as legal assistance and finance analysis. This shift isn't theoretical, it's been tracked in hard data. Tesla factories in Germany now operate with 40% fewer humans than they did just 2 years ago. Amazon's smart warehouses in the US are handling 80% of inventory movement through AI bots and computer vision alone. Banks in the UK are using AI-based legal software to generate and review contracts in under 15 seconds, work that previously took teams of lawyers hours to complete. In Australia, mining operations are fully automated with AI navigation drones, replacing hundreds of roles that once required field engineers. Let's begin with a breakdown of how this revolution started and why it has accelerated. The seeds were sown during the pandemic, where human labor was vulnerable, restricted, and logistically challenging. Corporations realized the true cost of downtime. AI, on the other hand, doesn't get sick, doesn't need breaks, and doesn't strike. So R&D budgets exploded. Investments in machine learning rose by 75% globally between 2020 and 2023. By 2024, we saw the first wave of generative AI tools embedded directly into workplace systems, not as assistants, but as autonomous decision makers. In 2025, the real turning point happened. AI combined with robotics. We didn't just get digital brains, we got moving bodies. And that's where jobs started disappearing. Take retail, for example. In France, Carrefour deployed humanoid AI cashiers that not only scan and bag items, but also respond to customer queries, upsell items, and handle conflict resolution, all without fatigue. This single shift replaced over 12,000 human jobs in 6 months. These AI agents learn from every customer interaction. They optimize pricing, adjust tone based on emotional AI feedback, and track inventory in real time. And because they're cloud connected, every unit gets smarter by the hour. Now let's talk about transport and logistics. Across Germany's largest shipping ports, AI-powered cranes and loading bots work together to move containers more efficiently than any human team could. DHL's AI delivery fleet now predicts optimal routes and weather patterns using deep learning models, cutting delivery times by 40%. Human drivers? Reduced to backup emergency controllers sitting in dark rooms, overseeing fleets they once drove with pride. Many of these professionals are now undergoing retraining programs, but the truth is, automation is outpacing our reskilling capacity. And what about finance? In London, one of the world's fintech capitals, startups are using AI-driven tools to manage investment portfolios, conduct KYC processes, and detect fraud. Tasks once handled by armies of analysts. JP Morgan now uses a system called Coin that interprets loan agreements in seconds, replacing what used to take 360,000 hours of legal work per year. In a chilling quote from an internal report leaked last month, the company stated, "Human analysis is now a bottleneck." But it's not just blue-collar and financial roles. AI has entered creative domains. In the UK, AI-generated ads outperformed human ad campaigns by 26% in conversion rates. German design studios are using AI to storyboard, render, and animate entire sequences for clients. Hollywood's writer strike in 2023 opened the door for AI screenwriters, and by 2025, Netflix quietly premiered its first AI-written, AI-directed sci-fi series, and it trended in the global top 10. So what's next? Let's break this into two categories: threats and opportunities. The threat is clear. If AI continues replacing jobs at this rate, over 800 million jobs could be affected globally by 2030. Not eliminated, but changed, reshaped beyond recognition. The psychological impact is already showing. Countries are reporting record levels of anxiety around employment security. Germany's chancellor issued a statement in May urging tech companies to participate in a responsible automation pledge. France has begun trials of universal basic income as a buffer. Meanwhile, the US is investing heavily in workforce transformation programs. But is it enough? Now let's explore the opportunities, because this isn't just about loss, it's about evolution. AI is creating entirely new industries: prompt engineering, robot training specialists, AI ethicists, synthetic data designers, AI psychologist consultants, and virtual environment curators. None of these job titles existed 5 years ago. In fact, some analysts argue that while 100,000 jobs have been replaced, 60,000 net new jobs have emerged. The challenge is, they require different minds, not just coders, but problem solvers, philosophers, humanists with tech fluency. Also, small businesses now have the power of Fortune 500 companies thanks to AI tools. A 20-year-old in Manchester built a fully automated fashion brand using AI for product design, copywriting, and marketing, and is now generating over £100,000 a month. This democratization of power means anyone, anywhere, can scale ideas, but only if they embrace the tools. So how do we prepare for the future? It starts with awareness. Then education. We need to shift from fear to adaptation. Parents in the US are already enrolling their 10-year-olds in machine learning camps. Germany has begun integrating AI literacy into primary school curricula. France is funding AI boot camps for unemployed citizens. The UK launched the AI for All initiative to make sure no one is left behind. If you're watching this video, you're already ahead. You're thinking about what's next while others still cling to the past. But make no mistake, this revolution is relentless. Every minute, AI gets smarter. Every second, another workflow gets automated. Every hour, someone, somewhere, is replaced by a faster, cheaper, tireless machine. But at the same time, every hour, someone else is inventing a new future with those same machines. So the real question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, how do I use AI to create the next job for me and for the world? And that is the core of Future Way. We're not here to fear tomorrow. We're here to shape it. Conclusion. The replacement of 100,000 jobs by AI robots is not an end. It's a loud beginning. It's the wake-up call we didn't ask for, but desperately needed. And if you think this wave has passed, look around. It's only getting faster. From the shipping docks of Hamburg to the AI writing labs in California, the world is shifting, and it's not waiting for anyone. Adaptation isn't optional anymore. It's a skill. And like all skills, the earlier you learn it, the better your chance of survival and success. If you found this eye-opening, you're one of the rare minds ready for the future. Don't let this be the last time you explore what's coming. Subscribe to Future Way, turn on the bell, and join us as we decode the tech transformations reshaping our lives. Drop a comment. What job do you think AI will take next or create next? Let's build a future we're proud of, together.
257 257 1 2